Hey guys, I just want to show you a quick tutorial to how to remove those annoying widgets. All you gotta do is go to Google and search for AdBlock Plus extension and download the extension. I already have it, and download the extension right here. Once you downloaded the extension, it will appear on your toolbar. You need to click on it, click on the gear, and then go to advanced, scroll all the way down and add the filter here. You need to paste the link that I will share in the description. You need to paste. I already pasted, so I'm going to turn it on again, and I'm going to go back to Amazon and refresh. And it's gone, and that's all you have to do. Hope it helps. Thank you guys.